You're looking at a machine that doesn't just redefine luxury, it rewrites the entire rulebook. This is the 2026 BMW 7 Series, and trust me, this thing is basically a private jet disguised as a sedan. BMW has taken everything we thought we knew about a flagship luxury car and pushed it 10 years into the future. The 2026 7 Series is engineered to go head-to-head with the world's finest and win. From the outside, it looks like a moving piece of art. A sleek coupe-style body, razor-sharp LED laser headlights, and an illuminated kidney grille that gives the car a futuristic face you simply can't ignore. Deep aerodynamic cuts, flush-fit door handles, and massive 21-inch turbine wheels give it the stance of a luxury spacecraft ready for takeoff. And the rear? A clean LED light bar that stretches across the back. Subtle, sharp, and seriously premium. But inside, this is where things get crazy. The first thing you see, BMW's panoramic curved display. A huge 14.9-inch infotainment screen blended with a 12.3-inch digital cluster. Add crystal accents, recycled textiles that feel ultra-premium, matte wood trims, and soft Nappa or merino leather, and suddenly the cabin feels less like a car and more like a first-class suite. Ambient lighting flows through the interior like living artwork, and you can customize the color theme to match any mood. You also get the latest iDrive 9 interface, insanely crisp Bowers & Wilkins Diamond audio, and next-level autonomous driving tech, touching level 3 in supported regions. And if you think the front is impressive, wait until you see the back. The rear passengers get reclining lounge seats, heated armrests, and, the star of the show, a 31-inch 8K BMW theater screen that drops from the roof. This thing turns the 7 Series into a rolling movie theater. Now let's talk power. BMW offers multiple powertrains depending on the market. A 3-liter turbo inline-6 pushing around 380 horsepower, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 delivering about 545 horsepower, a plug-in hybrid variant that targets 500-plus combined horsepower. All that power is channeled through BMW's advanced iDrive system, giving you instant grip and confidence on any road. Pair that with upgraded air suspension, rear axle steering, and a stiffer chassis, and the 2026 7 Series floats like a cloud, but corners like a sports sedan. Smooth, silent, powerful, exactly what you expect from a flagship, and BMW takes it even further. Pricing? It varies by model, but here's the breakdown for the US. Inline-6 base model starting around $115,000. V8 around $128,000. Plug-in hybrid roughly $115 to $125K. Fully loaded flagship trims can go beyond $160,000. And honestly, for what BMW has packed into this machine, it feels like a glimpse into the next decade of luxury mobility. This isn't just a sedan. This is BMW making a statement. And if you love getting early looks at the world's most advanced cars, hit that subscribe button right now. Here on Torque Hub, we bring you the future of automotive tech before anyone else. Drop a comment below. Would you take the 7 Series over the S-Class or the EQS? Let's talk cars.